Don't start TikTok or YouTube automation without studying the niche market. Here is why. How many videos do you think are uploaded to YouTube every day? It's around 3.7 million new videos. For TikTok, that number is way bigger. It's around 34 million. So the competition is very high. That doesn't mean you should not start your social media journey because of this high competition. What you should do is you have to come up with a plan to find a good niche that can beat this competition. Basically, that's what I do. I find good niches for you guys. I have a new and fresh niche for you guys today, so it's up to you to start today or postpone this. Most importantly, this niche is monetizable on both YouTube and TikTok. I have created 4-step formula to make videos for this niche without spending a single penny. Step 1. Finding video ideas and creating a script. Step 2. Create a talking avatar. Step 3. Creating video clips and images. Finally, the full editing process. I will call this niche Funny Life Hacks Niche. Why this niche is so good? It's in the name of this niche. People love to watch these kinds of life hack videos, and this niche instantly increases the curiosity of the viewers. So it's not that hard to go viral with this niche. Let me show you an example video.
5 crazy and funny life hacks that actually work. Don't do these. These are for entertainment purposes only. Just kidding. Number 1. If someone is always bothering you by asking for a cup of tea, make them a horrible one. They won't ask again. My brother always asked me to make coffee for him, even if I was working. So I did this to him. It actually works. Number 2. If you are on call, but it keeps getting annoying, and the other party is not going to stop soon, put your phone on airplane mode instead of hanging up. Other party will see the call failed instead of hanging up. I do this every time.
Let's start with the first step, which is finding video ideas about this niche. You can find tons of video ideas from X. Go to your X account and search for funny life hacks. You will find threads and videos related to these topics. You can either copy those threads or create your own version. Another way to find ideas is you can use Reddit. If you don't want to make your own script, you can always use ChatGPT to create a unique script regarding funny life hacks. So, let's ask ChatGPT like this. Create a video script for this topic. 5 funny life hacks that actually works. You can either use this script directly or change it to your own script. It's up to you. I would recommend you to read this script and edit it. According to your own words, it will improve the uniqueness of your video. Now we need to generate voiceovers. Again, the voice we are going to use should not sound like an AI voice. That's why we need to select an ultra-realistic AI voice generator, where your viewers won't be able to say that this voice is AI generated. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this. So you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters. Now, let's check several AI voices and select a suitable one for this video. If you click this Add Voice button and click Voice Library, you can get access to more voices. By selecting suitable keywords from this top menu, you can get voices related to each category. For this project, I would like to use a funny voice, so let's type funny and search for a voice. Let's try this one.
Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do.
I don't think I like it.
Hello and welcome to Seasonal Job Pro, the channel for everything and anything seasonal jobs.
This one is really cool for this video, so let's use it. From here, you can add this voice to your voice library. Now, you can access to that voice. Go to Settings and select that voice. Then all you need to do is copy the script part by part and generate the voiceovers. Don't copy the whole script at once, copy it part by part to get a better quality AI voice. Just like this, create all the voiceovers and put them in a new folder. Let's find some background videos for this. I would recommend using background gaming videos like Minecraft or Subway Surf. You don't have to play the game to get background video. Just go to YouTube and search for copyright-free Minecraft gameplays, and select any video which are copyright-free and copy its URL. Then go to this website and paste the URL like this. You can download that video easily. The next step is to create an animated talking avatar. We are going to use Adobe Express for that. For this process, I'm going to use Adobe Express. You can use this for free, it doesn't have any watermark. Therefore, we can use Adobe Express without any issues. First, you need to sign up for this. I'm not going to show you how to do that. because it's just simple. After you sign up, you will come to this page. From this page, you need to select this animate from the audio option. Then, you will come to this page. As you can see here, there are several characters. We need a middle-aged, funny character for this video. I think this one is good for that. Let's select it. Now, we need to edit the sizes and background colors. Select the size from this top menu and change it to portrait, and then change the background to a green layer like this. Then all you need to do is upload the voiceovers. For that, click this browse button and add the voiceovers. Within several seconds, this will generate the talking animation, and then you can download it. Just like this, create animations for all the voiceovers and download them all. Finally, we need background music. Funny and funky background music would be good for this video. You can download background music from pixabay.com. You can download any copyright-free background music and sound effects from this website for free. With that, we have all the material to make the final output. To edit all these, you can use either Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. For this example, let's use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. First, start a new project and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Select 9:16 ratio. Then you need to upload all the material that we created to this. Click this Import button and select all those voiceovers, music, and videos. First, drag the gaming background video to the timeline. The video we downloaded was a landscape video, so we need to adjust its size to match the portrait surface area. So, adjust the size accordingly. Then we can add the talking animation videos to the time. Watch this part carefully, this is important. You will see the reason why I selected a green color background for this. Click this clip and select the cutout from this top menu. Now you will see this option called Chroma Key. We need to tick this little box, and I think you can see this small eyedropper tool. You have to select it first and move the mouse point to the green color area and click it. It will select the green color. Now, all you need to do is increase this strength bar all the way up to 100. It will remove the green color background. Then, increase the shadow bar to 100 as well. Do this for all the talking animation videos. Then, you need to place this talking guy in a suitable place. So, I will place it in this corner like this. This is up to you. Place it wherever you like. Now, we need to add the captions. We can generate auto captions in CapCut. You don't have to type the captions. Go to Text and select Auto Captions. Select the English language and generate the captions. Within a few seconds, it will generate the captions. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Edit these text in an interesting way. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. Let's add the caption layers to the middle part of the video like this. Make sure that these captions stand out, so I will select this cool font. It's suitable for this niche. You can add any text effects for these captions from here. If you go to the effects from this top menu, you will find a lot of cool text effects. So I really like this specific effect, so I will select this one. Let's add some text animations as well. Select all the text layers and go to Animation. From here you can add any cool animations for your text. I will add this animation. I think it's cool. Finally, add the background music to the timeline and edit its volume to match the voiceovers. With that, you can export the video. I hope you understand the whole process. I'm planning to make a full quiz niche tutorial with more than 5 video categories. So stay tuned, guys. I will see you in the next video.